Hello all, I'm Tony Manning. I'm a CGMA and a Fellow of CIMA. I've been a practicing management accountant for 27 years and currently chair the CIMA Irish Members in Practice Group. I operate myself as a sole trader with no direct employees, but work with clients' own office staff in addition to engaging part-time bookkeepers from time to time. I work mainly with businesses in the SME sector and schools, offering general compliance, management accounting, payroll and tax administration services. Now, as we all know, the recent weeks and months have been particularly challenging for everyone, with all of us having to adapt to changes in our way of life. I would like to share with you some of the professional and personal challenges facing my own practice. While working with clients whose businesses are affected by the COVID-19 pandemic to a greater or lesser extent, I've been assisting them with the payroll subsidy scheme and other funding incentives rolled out by government and local enterprise offices. Together, we've been working through their cash flow difficulties and trading, changes in the nature of operations, changes in the business model, and building forecasts and various scenarios to try to work through these tough times. We've been planning for recovery, returning to a new normal, which is inevitable, and also planning for some businesses to wind up as they will undoubtedly face insurmountable difficulties. Now, while normally used to working alone myself, this enforced isolation presents its own challenges. I miss having face-to-face meetings with my clients, and I also have difficulty accessing on-site information. However, with alternative technologies such as cloud computing, cloud accounting, video conferencing, etc., there's a lot of free stuff out there to choose from that helps us get through these difficulties. Now, some of the personal challenges would inevitably revolve around cash flow. Obviously, with my clients facing difficulties, they're unable to pay me in a timely manner. However, to counteract that, I've been looking after my own well-being with plenty of fresh air, walking, exercise, diet, etc. being maintained. Also, I've been looking at time management. I'm trying to maintain as much structure in the day as far as possible in order to maintain a work-life balance. And also trying to take some time to learn the new forms of communication, the new forms of technology. Now, some of the advice that I could give would be to keep in touch with both your personal and professional networks. Don't be afraid to ask somebody for support and advice. And if you're having a problem shared is a problem halved. People like myself would only be too willing to help if somebody asked me for advice. We could discuss a problem and talk it through. Use the extra time that you find wisely. Look at alternative opportunities that might exist. Brush up on your CPD, your learning, etc. So I'd like to close at that and thank you for your attention. Goodbye and good luck.